Toby.
And I'm Mac.
This is the Toby Mac Show.
Where you totally extreme stunt.
Extreme. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Well, today we spotted a furry little critter in the woods. So Toby here is gonna go run over there and get inclined with nature.
Inclined. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So here we go.
Ready, Toby?
Go.
Oh, Toby! Oh, okay. What is this mysterious creature?
What is this? Oh, so cute.
Toby! Toby, get rid of it! Dude, Toby! Are you okay, man?
I'm hurt.
Dude, say, okay, you're good. You're totally good, man.
Extreme.
Oh, yeah!
Oh God, got a rock in my. Okay, breathe. Whoa, extreme.
Okay. Well, that was a totally sweet extreme stunt. That was the Toby Mac Show.